Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Awanga Simbai Wanga and I'm a member of the Socialist Party from Senanga constituency in Western Province. You see, if you have eyes to see and if you have ears to hear and if you've been observing the socio-economic and political degradation of our country Zambia, you would agree with me that we need socio-economic and political change right now more than ever. The 12th of August is coming and Zambians have an opportunity to change government. Zambians have an opportunity to put a true, real government that cares for the people. A government that will rule for the people, with the people, and by the people. A government that will instill confidence in investors, in the international community, and donors. A government that will ensure equitable redistribution of our country's national resources and ensure that poverty levels are brought down. We need a government that truly cares for its citizens and that will enhance freedom of speech, freedom of association, freedom to speak out against all social, economic and political evils, and freedom to be able to associate with anyone and any political party or grouping. Right now, we are living like refugees in our own country. Zambians are not free to speak out against the government. Anytime anyone stands up and issues any statement or speaks out against political violence, corruption in government, rampant graft, financial mismanagement, then they are regarded as an enemy of the state and patriotic front cadres are sent out against them. This is what we need to end as a nation, and this is what we must fight. We must ensure that all socio-economic and political evils are ended come the 12th of August. Let us vote out the Patriotic Front in numbers. We must vote out the Patriotic Front in numbers. I hope all those of you who are watching this video right now have voters' cards and NRCs. As we go to vote on the 12th of August this year, let us carry our voters' card and NRCs so that we show the Patriotic Front the doorway out of power and vote in place a government that truly cares for us. We need the restoration of the rule of law now more than ever. 2021 is a do or die year. Unless if you have no senses in your head, unless if you are not alright, or unless if your medulla oblongata is tilted backwards, then we will bear with you when you say the Patriotic Front should rule for another 5 years, because no sane Zambian would allow the Patriotic Front to rule for another 5 years. No sane Zambian would vote for the Patriotic Front to rule for another 5 years. We need change right now. Prices of goods are skyrocketing beyond the affordable